This is typically a phone book backup file, often from AT&T or older phones. It contains contacts, it's proprietary, and hard to read on a PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss options. We're going to solve this PBB issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. The PBB file extension is associated with phone backups, specifically those created by AT&T. These files contain data backed up from a mobile device, such as contacts, messages, photos, and settings. The PBB format allows users to restore their phone's data in case of loss, damage, or when upgrading to a new device, ensuring data preservation. PBB files typically store data in a proprietary format, specific to the AT&T backup software. The file structure may include metadata describing the backup contents, along with the actual data files organized in a hierarchical structure. Encryption may be used to protect sensitive information stored within the backup file, ensuring data security. The most trusted opener for the PBB file is consistently AT&T Mobile Transfer from AT&T. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows doesn't translate complex data structures, so specialized software is required to read them. The initial test, right-click the PBB file and choose Open With. If AT&T Mobile Transfer is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. When your PBB file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the PBB file didn't open, we need to address these 3 most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, use AT&T Backup software. Open the file using the official AT&T Mobile Backup and Restore utility designed for this proprietary format. Next, restore to device. Use the backup software to sync the PBB data back to a compatible mobile device to access contacts and messages. Finally, check for extraction tools. Use a mobile data recovery or extraction tool that specifically supports AT&T's proprietary backup structure. If your current apps can't interpret your PBB file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn PBB formats. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagic will instantly show you what's inside the broken PBB file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagic.com. Solving file errors quickly is the key to productivity. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.